Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to turn off emergency SOS in your iPhone. So whether you are using iPhone 14, 15 or 7 or 6, this method will work in every iPhone. So if you want to turn off emergency SOS in your iPhone, so what you have to do, first of all you have to go into setting, and here you have to search for privacy. Okay, now search for privacy, and here you will see this is the privacy option. Just click on it, and here you will see location services option. Just click on location services, and here you will see you have to scroll down, and here you will see system services. Just click on it, and here you will see this is the emergency call and SOS. Now you can just turn it off. Now here you will see emergency calls and location. The location of your may still be sent when you place an emergency call. Now just click on it, turn it off. Like this you can turn off SOS emergency calls in your iPhone. So if you like this video,